Hey ladies, welcome back to my channel. I know a lot of you guys are excited for today's tutorial. Today's wig is from Lockbraids, and I'm actually showing you guys their full lace braided wig, which is 100% human hair. It's the small boho knotless braids, and it does come with baby hairs, by the way. I have this wig in 22 inches, and this wig is 250% density, but in my personal opinion, it doesn't really feel that way. It could be because of the braids, I'm not too sure. So maybe if you take the braids out, it might feel super full, but that's the one that I have. Today's wig install is going to be pretty simple, mostly because the wig is literally styled, and as you guys can see, I even did 3 different styles with these box braids, including a bun, and it does not look crazy in the back. It looks really natural, you guys. So all we have to worry about is laying down this lace, and then that's pretty much it. So I'm starting off by giving you guys an unboxing as usual. I'm going to give you some close-ups of the hair, I'm going to give you some close-ups of the knotless braids, the lace, etc. So here I'm giving you guys a close-up of all of this lace room. There is a lot of lace room in the back, by the way. We are going to be very careful with cutting this lace off. I'll give you guys a lot more detail on that once we start doing that. But the first thing you want to do is add some foundation or some lace tint spray onto this lace. Put as much as you can on there because all of the lace is going to be exposed because this wig is in braids. So you really want to make sure that the lace is matching your scalp color, your skin color, whatever, as much as possible. You want it to look natural, so make sure you get the foundation or the tint spray, whatever you're using, all over that lace. So I'm going to go ahead and remove this baby hair out of my face. I'm not cutting it off because we're going to use that, but I want to give you guys a close-up of this lace. So where my finger is pointing right now, that is where we're going to cut in order for me to trace my ear out. Again, be very careful. You don't want to cut a braid by accident. You don't want to cut the hair, okay? But I just wanted to show you guys exactly where I'm cutting, and then I'm just going to trace my ear as normal, and I'll do the same thing on both sides. So now I'm just giving you guys some close-ups as to where I cut. There is going to be lace in the back that we have to get rid of, so that's kind of what I was giving you guys some close-ups of. So I went ahead and I cut the lace from the back, and then this is what it looks like now. So now it just looks like a regular wig cap. Those little straps right there, you can actually pull those in to make the wig tighter if you choose, all right? So now I'm going to go ahead and throw the wig back on. Once again, get all that baby hair away from my face because now we have to cut off all the lace in the front. Again, take your time with this. I just cut right in front of the hairline, aka the baby hairs, because we're going to need that. Leave a little bit of lace there. That way you can lay her down, but not too much. So again, right in front of the natural hairline. Now before you lay the lace down, make sure that wherever she's going to be laying you are happy with it. If there's any more lace that you want to cut off, do it now. Just make sure everything looks good before you use any type of lace melting spray or glue. So you guys know I am not a glue girly, so I'm just going in with some lace melting spray, and I'm also going to go in with some holding spray afterwards, which you guys will see. But all the products that I'm using as far as laying the lace down is just spray. I do not like to use glue, you guys know that. And what I'm using will be listed in the description box down below if you are interested. But I wait until the spray gets tacky, and then I'm going to go ahead and lay the lace down. Now I'm going to go ahead and use my elastic band and just put that on my head to make sure that we get the lace nice and secure. I left it on there for like a good 20 minutes. After I take the band off, I'm going to go in with some foundation and just dab it right at the edges of the lace. As you guys can see, it looks so natural. It looks really good. I was happy with her, and we're definitely going to make use of some baby hairs as well, just to cover up any type of lace that I felt like was a little too noticeable in certain areas. And they gave us baby hairs, so why not use it? You guys know I do not like dramatic baby hairs, so I did cut them pretty short, and I just kept playing with it until I was happy with how they were looking. If you guys notice, I'm using this spray on the braids, and that's mostly because the braids kind of had like a little bit of flyaways and stuff like that, and I did not want her to look messy. I wanted it to look like I just got my hair done, so I used the spray just to help with the flyaways. If you would like to, you can actually use a little bit of water and some mousse as well, being that the rest of the hair is kind of curly, so if you wanted to refresh that, you could. I actually left the rest of the hair alone. I just wanted to help out with the flyaways that I did. I didn't do anything else to the hair in itself. I was really just focused on the lace, and that was it. Okay, so technically we are done. You can leave the hair down if you choose. In the outro as well as in the intro, which I already showed you guys, I did have the hair down. I had it in a half up, half down. I had it in a high bun. So whichever you see fit, go ahead and do so. I started off with the half up, half down first because I like the way that it looked. They did send like these 2 scrunchies, so I did make use of that in order for me to get this cute little ponytail look. Okay, you guys, we are finished. Comment down below, let me know what you think. Again, I know a lot of you guys was waiting on this tutorial. Surprisingly, I actually really did like this wig a lot. You guys know I'm a lace closure girly. I don't like to do anything extra, but honestly, I am also a girl who does not like to get braids done. I am extremely tender-headed, and I also have fine hair strands, so the tension on my natural hair sometimes is a bit much for me. Plus, I'm traumatized from my childhood days. I don't do braids, okay? I do not do braids. So this is a great alternative, and it's also great to have if you don't want to be at the shop all day getting your hair done. You can definitely opt for a wig instead. I will have all the information listed in the description box down below, including my discount code. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I will see you guys next time.